Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Drink upside down. Fill a glass with cold water halfway full, then either lie over the side of your bed or bend at the waist. Now sip some water and spit it out. Repeat if required. Lemon. Sour taste of lemon overwhelms the irritated nerves and stopping hiccups. You just have to bite into a lemon wedge. Its sour taste will force you to swallow it hard and stop hiccups. Hold your breath. It is an ancient cure for hiccups. Take a deep breath and hold it as long as you can with plugging your nose and closing your mouth. Now exhale gently in a controlled manner. Repeat it until hiccups stop. Peanut butter. Put a big tablespoon of peanut butter in your mouth and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, then swallow it without chewing. While you swallow it, the sticky consistency of it will interrupt your breathing pattern and stops hiccups. Spoonful of sugar. Take spoonful of white or brown, hold the spoon in your mouth for few seconds. Let the sugar dissolve in your mouth instead of chewing it. Drink some water and hiccups will disappear.